Okay, hey y'all, so today we got another Barbie unboxing, and today we got the Solo and the Spotlight Barbie. So, yeah. Ooh. We got Miss Barbie here in her Solo in the Spotlight reproduction outfit. And I really just got her for her gloves and maybe her earrings. Let's unbox her. Her box is obviously ridiculously broken, but there's a photo of her on the back and this little story. The lights dim, a bush falls over the audience. Barbie steps onto the microphone just as she did in 1960, wearing the most popular vintage fashion of all time, Solo in the Spotlight. From its close-fitting gown with a sassy flounce and single red rose to the long, sleek gloves and open-toe heels, everything about her sensational look captures the drama and style of the early 60s. The special edition reproduction is a second chance to begin at the beginning or to start a Barbie doll collection for a special little girl in your life. And her box is just destroyed, so let's just destroy it even more. So yeah, she did come with her shoes, and it looks like she came with her little microphone. So yeah, let's unbox her. Let's see. Take off. Don't lose your microphone. She has her stand. And back here comes with, I guess you can email them. And then so we take these off of her. That's what she looks like. Oh my god, she's all dirty with her. Look at this, she has glue, so definitely need to take her out. Her hairband is probably effed up too. Make sure those are all done. Oh yeah, her hair just came undone, look at that. So gross. Her rubber band is just completely out now. Cool. So yeah, she's disgustingly dirty. We gotta wash her up. Restyle her hair. But I mean, she's been in her outfit thing since a long time. So this is also the reason I got her, was just for this glove. Let's take this glove off. This one is sewed on here, which is weird. I'm pretty sure the other one I got was not like that. But anyway. Her rose is like down here, not like the original one. Maybe you guys wanted to check out the original too. Okay, so let's compare the two. The original vintage one is quite a bit shimmerier, has more sparkle to it. And the rose on the original vintage is more of a silk rose, and it's kind of like a real plastic looking rose, although I need to fix it. This one, the rose is just different, you see? So yeah, they're in different spots. And this one's a bit more fluffier. Although this one could probably just be washed and fluffed out a bit, I think this one does just have more fabric. And it is just like, this one seems like it won't really fall apart. This one actually does have the little black stuff coming off of it. So yeah, that's interesting. Okay, let's take out her earrings. So yeah, they got these weird little things right here.